Have you ever wondered what happens to watermelons after they leave the farm? Today, we are taking you inside a high-tech watermelon factory, where raw watermelons are transformed into mouth-watering desserts using advanced machines and modern automation. This is the complete process, from arrival to final packaging. The journey begins with fresh watermelons arriving directly from farms. Large trucks unload thousands of watermelons at the factory entrance. Before anything else, every watermelon goes through a strict inspection process. Machines sort the watermelons by size and weight. Advanced sensors scan each one to detect internal defects that cannot be seen by the human eye. Only the best quality watermelons are allowed to move forward in the production line. Once approved, the watermelons enter the washing section. High-pressure water jets remove dirt, dust, and bacteria from the surface. Rotating industrial brushes ensure that every watermelon is perfectly clean. Hygiene is extremely important in food production. The washing water is filtered and recycled to maintain cleanliness and reduce waste. After washing, the watermelons move toward the cutting section. Here, robotic arms take over the process. These machines slice the watermelons with incredible precision and speed. The outer rind is separated from the juicy red flesh. At the same time, seeds are automatically removed using specialized machines. Nothing is wasted during this process. The watermelon flesh is then transferred into extraction machines. These powerful systems squeeze out fresh watermelon juice while preserving its natural color and flavor. The extracted juice and pulp are now ready to become delicious desserts. In the next stage, industrial mixers combine the watermelon juice with other ingredients. This mixture is carefully controlled to achieve the perfect taste and texture. Some of the juice is turned into smooth watermelon jelly. Other portions are used to create creamy watermelon ice cream and refreshing dessert cubes. Temperature and timing are strictly monitored throughout this process. This ensures that every product meets high quality and safety standards. Once the desserts are prepared, they move to the packaging section. Automated machines fill containers with precise portions. Each package is then sealed tightly to keep the desserts fresh. Labeling machines apply product information and barcodes. Every package is inspected one final time before storage. The finished watermelon desserts are placed inside cold storage rooms. These controlled environments keep the products fresh until they are ready for shipping. Finally, the packaged desserts are loaded onto trucks and prepared for delivery. From local markets to international destinations, these products are ready to be enjoyed. From raw watermelons to delicious desserts, this high-tech factory shows how modern technology transforms simple fruit into premium food products. If you enjoyed watching this complete factory process, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.